Welcome to CyberSage. Today we're exploring the amazing world of robotics. Let's get started. So, what is robotics? Simply put, it's a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. There are three key components that make robots work: sensors, actuators, and control systems. Sensors help robots perceive their environment. They can detect light, sound, heat, and other stimuli, allowing robots to gather information. Actuators are what enable robots to move and interact with the world. They can be motors, hydraulic systems, or other mechanisms that drive movement. Control systems process the information from sensors and decide how the robot should act. This can involve complex algorithms and AI to make decisions. Robots are used in manufacturing to assemble products, in healthcare to assist in surgeries, in space exploration to explore other planets, and even in our homes to clean floors. Follow for more updates.